Welcome to Tech Widerock Academy, where we will explore the latest in technology and software. In today's session, we are diving into the world of Linux distributions, where we will break down the most popular distros, uncover the fundamental features that set them apart, and guide you through the powerful resource distrowatch.com. Whether you are new to Linux or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you understand which distro fits your needs best. Let's get started on your Linux journey right there at TechFighter Academy. Linux distribution or distro is an operating system built around the Linux kernel, bundled with software and tools to meet various user needs. Distros range from beginner-friendly ones like Ubuntu, designed for ease of use, to more advanced options like Arch Linux, which offer greater customization and control. They are widely used in servers, desktops, and development environments for their flexibility, security, and open source nature. And the most popular distributions are Debian. It is a stable and reliable Linux distribution known for its robust performance and extensive software repository. It's favored for servers and systems requiring long-term stability, with a strong emphasis on free and open source software. Debian also serves as a foundation for many other distributions, including Ubuntu. Let's talk about Ubuntu. It is a popular Linux distribution known for its user-friendliness and stability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It features a clean interface, strong community support, and regular updates, offering a versatile platform for desktop, servers, and development requirements. Fedora. It is a cutting-edge Linux distribution focused on innovation and latest open source technologies. It's often used by developers and tech enthusiasts, offering frequent updates and features while providing a solid and flexible platform for development and experimentation. Arch Linux is a lightweight and highly customizable Linux distribution designed for advanced users, known for its simplicity and minimalist approach. It provides only essential components, allowing users to build their system from the ground up. Arc follows a release model, ensuring access to the latest software without the need for reinstallation. If we talk about CentOS and Alma Linux, now CentOS replaced by Alma Linux after the discontinuation of CentOS Linux. It is a free and open source Linux distribution designed for servers and enterprise environments. Based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Alma Linux provides the same stability and reliability without licensing fees and making it a popular choice for businesses requiring a secure, long-term supported system for critical applications. Linux Mint is a user-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and Debian, designed to provide a familiar and easy-to-use experience for both beginners and experienced users. It comes with a variety of desktop environments such as Cinnamon, Mate, XFCE, offering a polished and stable platform for everyday computing tasks with a focus on simplicity and usability. So that's about the most popular distros. Now let's talk about the fundamental features and components. First is Linux kernel. The core of all distributions is the Linux kernel, which manages hardware resources and processes. While all distros use this kernel, they may include different versions or apply specific patches or customization. For instance, Debian focuses on stability in its kernel updates. Fedora includes the latest features, while Arch Linux allows users to choose their preferred version, and CentOS Alma Linux customizes for enterprise level reliability. If we talk about customization, distros basically differ in how customizable they are. For instance, Arch Linux offers more flexibility than Ubuntu out of the box. If you talk about software bundles, Linux distribution comes with essential utilities and applications such as package managers, system libraries, and user tools. Each distro features different default software, including desktop environments and applications, which distinguishes them from one another. Ubuntu provides the user-friendly GNOME desktop environment, while Arch Linux offers greater customization options. Similarly, Fedora focuses on the latest development tools, while Debian emphasizes stability and Linux Mint aims for the smooth transition for former Windows users. Talk about open source. Almost all Linux distros are open source, but the extent of proprietary software included varies. Example, Fedora focuses strictly on open source software, while others may include proprietary drivers. To package management, all distributions uses package managers like apt, which is Debian based, or yum, which is Red Hat based, for easy software installation and updates. So these 5 points help categorize and distinguish Linux distributions based on their functionality, design, and intended user experience. Coming to distrowatch.com, which is a popular website that tracks and provides information on various Linux distributions and other open source operating systems. Let's quickly visit distrowatch.com, and here it offers ranking. From this side you can see the last 6 month ranking of all Linux distributions. Now just select any auto filter here and see the ranking accordingly. And from here you can see the latest news and updates, and it also helps users to discover, compare, and choose the right Linux distribution for their needs. This site is basically widely used by the Linux community to keep up with the latest developments in the open source ecosystem. From here you can see the latest headlines, latest distributions, and also you can search any Linux distribution like Kali Linux Go, and from here we can see all the releases of Kali Linux. So that's how we can use the distrowatch.com for exploring more about the Linux distribution. So thank you so much guys.